Let's learn how you can get McLaren frame on your TikTok profile. So let us start by opening our TikTok application. On search you will have to tap it, and on this search bar you will have to type Tate McRae, and it will be the first profile to jump up. Click on her profile, and then you will have to click on her profile picture. You will see that she already has McLaren on her profile picture. Now when you do that, this pop-up will appear and you will see this get frame button. You will have to click it and it will lead you to new page. So you can get this frame probably to February 7th. So you'll have to click to agree and continue, and as you can see here are some steps that you need to do to get this frame. So you can just follow Tate McRae and follow T8 High Q. So you'll see when you done that, you will see this pop-up missions complete. Congrats, you have unlocked an exclusive profile frame, but it will expire on February 8th. You'll have to type got it, go back, and if you go to our profile, you'll see a McLaren behind these dots. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.